Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Irfan Aroyan from class TI 23T. My study number 202300401118. I will presentation about algorithm and data structure. The first is algorithm. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a well-defined and systematic set of instructions to solve a particular problem. Generally, algorithm will be asked to be able to perform calculation from automatic inference and process data on computer using certain software. In bahasa Indonesia, algoritma adalah sekumpulan instruksi yang terdefinisi dengan baik dan sistematis untuk memecahkan masalah tertentu. Umumnya, algoritma akan digunakan untuk dapat melakukan perhitungan, melakukan inferensi otomatis, dan mengolah data pada komputer dengan menggunakan software tertentu. Next, algorithm characteristic divided into five, namely 1. Fitness, 2. Definiteness, 3. Input, 4. Output, and 5. Effectiveness. Next, algorithm writing. The algorithm is written in the form 1. Description, 2. Flowchart, and 3. First code. Flowchart symbol divided into 5, namely is 1. Star or N, 2. Arrow, 3. Input or output, 4. Process, and 5. Decision. This is example about algorithm flowchart for determining even and odd number. Next, first the code. The term first the code consists to two combined words, namely the word first which means first and the word code which means code. Code can be interpreted as a description of a programming algorithm that is written simply, confided to the stack of the programming language. The goal is to make it easier for humans to read and understand. Voice code is not a programming language because a programming language must have rules in writing in code. Okay, next, the second is data structure. What is a data structure? Data structure is a way of storing and organizing data in a structured way on a computer system so that it is more easily assembled. Data structure type 1. Array, 2. Stack, 3. Queue, 4. Linked list, 5. Tree, 6. Graph, 7. Hash, and 8. Heap. Data structure type divided into two, namely 1. Data structure linear and 2. Data structure non-linear. Data structure linear. A linear data structure is a way of organizing and storing data in which element are arranged sequential one after another because elements are arranged in a certain order. They are easy to apply. In bahasa Indonesia, struktur data linear adalah suatu cara penyusunan dan penyimpanan data di mana elemen-elemen disusun secara berurutan, satu demi satu. Karena elemen-elemennya disusun dalam urutan tertentu, maka elemen-elemen tersebut mudah diterapkan. 1. Array data structure. A collection of elements with the same data type. An array with each element represented by an index. Example: array integer 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is array integer. Okay, next. 2. Linked list data structure. A set of connected elements where each element stores the data and a reference the next element. Next, 3. Stack data structure. LIFO. Last in, first out basis data structure, where the last element added is the first element taken out. In data, struktur data berbasis LIFO, last in, first out, di mana elemen terakhir yang ditambahkan adalah elemen pertama yang diambil. Next, 4. Queue data structure. FIFO. First in, first out, basis data structure, where the first element added is the first element taken away or out. In bahasa Indonesia, struktur data berbasis FIFO, first in, first out, di mana elemen pertama yang ditambahkan adalah elemen yang pertama diambil. Okay, next, the second of structure data nonlinear. A nonlinear data structure is a way of organizing and storing data. Each element are arranged hierarchically, where one element will be connected to one or more element. In bahasa Indonesia, struktur data nonlinear adalah suatu cara penyusunan dan penyimpanan data di mana elemen-elemen disusun secara hierarki, di mana satu elemen akan terhubung dengan satu elemen atau lebih. 1. Graph data structure. In graph data structure, each node is called vertex, and each vertex is connected to other vertices through edges. 2. Tree data structure. A hierarchy data structure consists of connecting nodes, with one node as the root node. Okay, finish my presentation. And sorry, my English is bad. I'm Muhammad Ipanaroyan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.